Have you ever opened a folder and found a file with no extension at all? Maybe it was renamed accidentally, maybe it came from another system, or maybe you just want to know what type of file it is before opening it. In today's video, I'll show you how to identify almost any file type even if it has no extension, using quick methods that work on both Windows and Mac. This is incredibly useful when dealing with downloads, old backups, or files from other people's computers. So first, let's talk about why file extensions matter. Normally, Windows and Mac rely on the extension, like .jpg, MP4, docs, or .zip, to decide what app should open the file. But files actually carry their identity deep inside the data itself, through something called a file signature or magic number. This is a tiny piece of information stored at the beginning of the file that tells you its real type, even if the extension is missing or incorrect. For example, a JPG image always starts with a specific sequence of bytes, and so do PDFs, MP4 videos, zip archives, and many more. The easiest way to identify the file type is by using built-in tools. On Windows, you can open the file in Notepad or Notepad++ and look at the very first line of text. You'll often spot clues like .pk for zip files, %pdf for PDF documents, or JFIF for JPEG images. On Mac, you can open the file in TextEdit or use Quick Look. Sometimes the system instantly recognizes the file and gives you a preview even without an extension. Another powerful method is using the file command in the terminal or command prompt. On Mac or Linux, just type filename and it will tell you exactly what the file is. On Windows, you can use Windows Subsystem for Linux or install small tools that do the same. If you don't want to use text editors or commands, there are also free online tools that analyze the file signature for you. You just upload the file, and the site tells you whether it's an image, video, document, or archive. This works for most file types unless the file is corrupted or encrypted. But for privacy reasons, avoid uploading sensitive or personal files. In that case, stick to offline tools. Once you know the file type, all you need to do is rename the file and add the correct extension. For example, if you confirm it's a PDF, rename it to filename.pdf. If it's a video, rename it to MP4 inches or whatever format it matches. Your computer will immediately know how to open it. Being able to identify files without extensions is a simple but powerful skill, especially if you handle a lot of downloaded or transferred files. Not only does it help you stay organized, but it also prevents you from opening the wrong type of file, which can sometimes be dangerous. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tech tips and tutorials. Comment below if you want a full guide on file signatures or other deep dive tech tricks. See you in the next one.